guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, happy Louis Vuitton Day. You know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest and up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones or laptop to take a screenshot for your reference. And for orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs. So please make sure you stay until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about days about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like and share this video. I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramerifi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so let us discuss the latest runway collection of Louis Vuitton at Paris Fashion Week presented the Spring-Summer 2026 collection. So first guys, I would like to share the reinvention of the Dopp Kit. So now they're bringing this to the women's wear. So how do you feel about this one? So this is the classic Dopp Kit. The material is monogram canvas as we could see here. So it comes with leather trims with detachable bag tag as well. So this one is made of leather. The color is like white or cream. So the difference or new about this top kit is we are going to see instead of the leather top handle, it is now made with chain strap with leather interweave. And to be honest guys, I would really love to hear your opinion. Would you purchase a Dopp kit and would be carrying it? Because to be honest, I'm not really fan of this design. This one may be better in color caramel. So what I love about this one, I love the color. I love the very minimal Louis Vuitton logo because currently I am still enjoying my bags minus the logos because I want my bags to be a little bit understated. So this one, the same design with the white version. So next we have here. So I'm not sure if this is another Dopp kit or this may be another toiletry bag that is presented differently on the runway because we can see it's fully open. We can see the interior. So the outside part of this bag, it's made of monogram canvas in color white and it has the floral design detail. The interior though looks like lambskin leather in white. I really love that. Kind of reminds me of a Chanel classic bag. Next guys, let us discuss all the speedies that walk the runway. So first guys, we have the Speedy Trunk 25. So zooming in on this photo, I feel that the top part is made of canvas. Then of course the bottom part is made of monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. Then of course very special the bottom part because it is a trunk detail. So I'm guessing the price of that one would be around 10,000 USD. This one guys, super gorgeous. Looks vintage, which I super love. So Speedy Trunk size 25. So hopefully I'm right with the sizes guys. So material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, and of course the bottom part is the trunk detail. So hopefully guys you could really open that and then you could use the bottom part. Although I'm wishing that the trunk would not make the Speedy heavier when you're going to carry it. Then we have another Speedy here in size 25. So zooming in guys, I'm guessing that the main material is printed canvas. To be honest guys, I am not a fan of this design, and hopefully this is not just a regular canvas. Hopefully this is a coated canvas or a denim like material. So what do you think of that Speedy? Then this one I really love. So Speedy 25. So also thinking that this could be a printed canvas, but then again it could also be a coated canvas with cowhide leather trim. So as we are going to see, the colorway of this one is like white. Then it has a mallet touch design, the pink stripes or lines as you can see. Then of course it comes with a strap, so you could carry this one as a top handle, and I believe carry it as a shoulder bag as well. Then another Speedy, so maybe this is a Speedy 20 because it's a little bit smaller, but the material of this one guys, zooming in, it is like a snake skin material with cowhide leather trims as you can see here. Then of course it comes with detachable key clochette. Then of course it would come with a lock and key combination as well. So next one, so they have also redesigned the Express bag. So this is the newer bag that Nicolas Ghesquière has designed. So Material of this one is like a calfskin or maybe a lambskin leather with cowhide leather trims. So what is gorgeous about this bag, of course, number one, guys, the very minimal logo. Super love that. Then of course it comes with detachable top handle strap, and it comes with a longer strap so you could wear it as a shoulder bag. So next design for the express bag, maybe this one is a size PM. So colorway is black. This one, guys, gorgeous. So as you can see, love the size, love the detail. Then of course, instead of leather trims, it has a monogram canvas trims. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now, guys, to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you, guys! Alright, so next on the Runway collection, so not the official name, so it kinda looks like a bucket bag, guys. The material can be calfskin leather with monogram canvas trims. So what I love about this new bag, so this is the first time that I'm seeing it, is it comes with two straps. So it comes with a detachable top handle and it comes with a longer strap. So definitely you could wear this one maybe as a crossbody or if applicable as a crossbody bag. Then this one, guys, super gorgeous. Not official name. I'm calling this one the NOE trunk because it is a NOE in a slimmer version, but it comes with a trunk details as we can see here. Made of genuine maybe calfskin leather with monogram canvas trim. It would also come with detachable bag tag and of course detachable shoulder strap. Then next on the collection, so we have not official name again, guys, the NOE Malletage. So it is the classic NOE design, but it comes with a trunk details. And of course, we are going to see the Malletage design, so like the pink line, so that is the Malletage detail. Then of course, the outer part could be leather printed with the Malletage design. Next on the collection, so guys, please comment down below if this bag resembles and kind of reminds you of the Fendi Peekaboo, because when I saw this one, I thought, I was kind of confused because it really does look like the Fendi Peekaboo, even the hardware in front. So what do you think of this one? So this one is made of matte exotic or croc finish. Next on the collection, so this one I feel would be a hot selling bag once it launches. We have the Alma East West. So this one I really love, perfect maybe for evening or party. So made of monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, and what I love here, the vachetta strap is a little bit longer, so I believe you could carry this one as a shoulder carry. Next on the collection, another Alma East West. So this one, guys, so I have checked the material for this one. The material is monogram canvas in white, as we can see, and then of course on top of it would have a floral design detail. Then of course it would come with two longer strap made of leather, so you could carry this one as a shoulder carry. So which one do you prefer? So me, I would prefer the monogram canvas. So then another one, so we have an Alma. So I'm not sure if this can still be considered an East West, maybe a pouch design. So this one, material of this one is exotic leather or snake skin, and on top of that one they have added floral design detail, and it comes with detachable straps, so maybe you could carry this one as a top handle or at the crook of your arm, perfect for parties. Then we have the very beautiful side trunk. So I feel this print, guys, they are going to release a collection with this type of print, so please take note and screen grab this one if you are really interested. So I feel this is going to be a separate collection. So we have the side trunk with the printed canvas with cowhide leather trims with the classic side trunk detail. Next, side trunk, so it could be part of that collection but in the blue colorway. So maybe I'm guessing in that collection they would have like the ballerine pink, and they would have this bluish or light blue colorway because they kind of look like one and in one collection, don't you agree? So this one also comes with the classic side trunk detail. Next on the Runway collection, so we have the handle trunk. This one, guys, I am such a huge fan of this one. It would also be better if it would come with the detachable strap, so you could wear this one maybe as a shoulder or as a crossbody bag. Super chic design. So material is snake skin, so hopefully they are going to translate this one perhaps in epi leather or in monogram canvas. I would die for that bag. Then guys, we have also another design. So handle clutch, not official name, guys, by the way. So material of this one is still in snake skin, and of course the colorway of this one is like in dark chocolate brown colorway, and of course it comes with top handle and it comes with the S-lock for closure. Very beautiful combination, and I love of course the dark chocolate colorway. Then we have the petite mount that walk on the runway. So the material of this one, guys, so I'm not really sure about the material, so maybe the base would be calf leather, then of course it would have cowhide leather trims, then it would have the classic petite mal detail. Love the petite mal. So of course it comes in the light gold hardware with S-lock for closure. Then we have another trunk, so this one handle trunk, not official name. And the material of this one, initially guys, I thought the material is snakeskin leather, but when I have taken a closer look, I fell in love even more because the material is in epi leather. Super gorgeous with vachetta leather trims. What do you think of this one? There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a credit card emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!